In this video, I will show you how to increase lock screen time on Android. Now, for the first method, you want to launch open Settings app on your device. Now, you want to scroll down and find the option of Advanced Features. Then select Motions and Gestures from here. Now tap on Keep Screen On While Viewing option. Make sure that you toggle this option on. For the second method, you want to open Play Store, tap on the search bar and here search for the app Good Lock. Now tap on the install option. Once it has been installed, launch it open. Now you want to download the LockStar app over here. Once it has been downloaded, open it. Then tap on the LockStar option and here select Lock Screen Timeout. Select 10 minutes from here, then tap on the Done option. Now your lock screen time will be 10 minutes instead of the default time. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.